Hello students, this is Sona Sharma, Assistant Professor of Department Pharmacology from Ramesh Institute of Vocational and Technical Education, Greater Noida. In this video, I am going to discuss about some of the multiple choice questions on the topic surgical dressings. So let's start with the question number first, that is surgical gauze is included under. Options are A. Primary wound dressings, option B. Absorbents, option C. Bandages, option D. Adhesive tapes. तो हमें इस क्वेश्चन में पर्टिकुलर ये बताना है कि सर्जिकल गॉज किस कैटेगरी के अंदर आते हैं. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज प्राइमरी वूंड ड्रेसिंग्स. Now the next question is, that is question number 2 dash is used to cover skin prior to application of plaster or Paris bandages. The options are cast paddings, B. stockinette bandage, C. orthopedic bandage, या D. all of the above. So the correct option is stockinette bandage. Stockinette bandage is mainly used to cover skin prior to the application of plaster of Paris bandages. Basically, now next move to the towards the question number 3, that is what is the IP limit of water holding capacity of absorbed cotton. The options are A. not less than 23 gram of water per 1 gram of cotton. Option B is not more than 23 gram of water per 1 gram of cotton. Option C is not less than 25 gram of water per 1 gram of cotton. Option D is not more than 23 gram of water per 1 gram of cotton. So the correct option is not less than A. 23 gram of water per 1 gram of the cotton. So the maximum limit of holding the water capacity of absorbed cotton is should not be less than 23 gram of water per 1 gram of the cotton. Now let's move towards the next question, that is question number 4. Question number 4 is absorbable suture loses tensile strength within how much of the days? The correct options are the correct option is D, that is 60 days. The above 3 options are incorrect, so the correct option is 60 days, that is absorbable sutures अपनी टेंसाइल स्ट्रेंथ विद इन 60 days लूज कर देते हैं. What are sutures? Basically students, sutures are the mainly used to hold dressing in a place in position until healing takes place. The main purpose of the sutures is to maintain the homeostasis of the body, the temperature, and also to prevent the bone exposure of that particular area. Now let's moving to the towards the next question, that is question number 5. Spring dynamometer is used while evaluating which property of the surgical dressings? The options are moisture content, water soluble extractive, option C is elasticity, and option D is all of the above. Basically the options, so the correct option is elasticity. Spring dynamometer, they are mainly used to evaluate the elastic property of the surgical dressings. Now let's move towards the next question, that is question number 6. The classical absorbable suture derived from collagen rich animal tissue is called. The options are natural suture, option B is catgut, option C is ligature, option D is natural ligature. So the correct option is B, that is catgut. Now let's move towards the next question, that is question number 7. The dressing which is in direct contact with wound is called as. ऐसी ड्रेसिंग जो कि वुंड के डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट में रहती है, ऐसी ड्रेसिंग को क्या कहा जाता है? द ऑप्शंस आर ए प्राइमरी ड्रेसिंग, सेकेंडरी ड्रेसिंग, टर्जरी ड्रेसिंग, या ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज नन ऑफ द अबव. सो द ड्रेसिंग विच इज इन डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट विद वुड इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? प्राइमरी ड्रेसिंग. प्राइमरी ड्रेसिंग का मेन पर्पस होता है एक प्रकार से प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइड करना from the environment as well as from the harmful microbes, जो जितने भी microbes present होते हैं environment के अंदर उनसे. Now let's move towards the next question, that is question number 8. The sterilized threads used for tying blood vessels and other tissues are known as what? The options are ligatures, sutures, ligaments या strings. So the correct option is ligatures. Ligatures are the sterilized threads which are mainly used to tie the blood vessels and other tissues in a place together. Now let's move towards the question number 9, that is BT set consists of what? The options are spike, option B is drip chamber, option C is filter, option D is all of these. So the correct option is option number D, that is all of these. BT stands for the blood transfusion set, है ना. It is mainly used to replace blood that is lost through the surgery or injury के through जो blood loss हो जाता है ना. And you may need BT in case of if you have anemia, sickle cell disease है, bleeding disorders है, जैसे कि हीमोफीलिया है, कैंसर है. तो इन सभी टाइप की डिसीज़ को देखने के लिए BT सेट मेनली ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन सेट यूज़ किया जाता है. Let's move toward the question number 10. Dash are made up of webbing and contain rubber threads. The options are crepe bandage, option B is woven plastic bandage, option C is muslin bandage, and option D is elastic bandage. So the correct option is woven plastic bandage. Woven plastic bandages are made up of mainly webbing, जो कि बुनकर और contain करते हैं रबड़ के threads बनाए जाते हैं. Now the question number 11. Question number 11 is hydrogel is which type of surgical dressing? The options are dry type, skin substitute, not used as dressing, or moisture keeping type. As the name indicate, hydro means containing water retaining properties हो जिसके अंदर, तो water is similar to moisture keeping type. So the correct option is D, that is moisture keeping type. Now the question number 12. Question number 12 is metallic sutures are made up of what? What material है ना? The options are stainless steel, B silver, C Vitalium, or D all of the above. So metallic sutures are made up of all of the above, that is stainless steel के भी बने हुए होते हैं, silver and Vitalium के भी बने हुए होते हैं. So the correct option is D, all of the above. Now the question number 13 is the dash are in the form of bandages and plasters. Options are fibers, fabrics, adhesive tapes, or absorbents. So the correct option is fabrics. Fabrics are mainly in the form of bandages और plasters की form में available होते हैं. Let's move towards the next question, that is question number 14. Artificial replacement of a body part that has been lost during trauma is called as what? The options are amputation, replacement, catgut, or medical prosthetics. Whenever there is a artificial replacement of any body part which is lost during trauma, it is called as medical prosthetics. So the correct option is D, that is medical prosthetics. Now let's move towards the last question of this video, that is question number 15. The question here is absorbent gauze is the example of, the options are fabric, option B is fibers, option C is bandages, and option D is adhesive tapes. So the correct option is fabric. Absorbent gauze जो होता है, it is mainly an example of fabrics, okay, जिसमें cotton होता है, cotton वगैरह included होते हैं. So the correct option is fabric. Thank you.